We're going to reread part of our story, Baby Bears. This part is about cubs growing up. We're going to think about the life cycle of bears from the beginning to the time they become an adult. Remember, a life cycle is all the changes an animal makes from being born until it becomes fully grown. When we reread, I want you to think of details you learn about the changes in the life cycle of the bear. You're going to use Flipgrid to tell me about the changes the bear goes through until it becomes an adult. Let's start rereading. Cubs grow up. Each bear goes through a set of changes called a life cycle. A life cycle starts when a cub is born. The cub grows and changes. It then becomes an adult bear. These pictures show the life cycle of an American black bear. Here's the adult, and here are its offspring. A black bear cub drinks its mother's milk when it's born. Soon the cub can leave its den. It still nurses, but it starts eating other foods too. Remember, nursing means that a mom gives it its milk. But now it's starting to leave the den. It can still have milk from its mother, but it will start to get food by itself as well. See this bear eating the fish? Next, the cub becomes an adult when it is 3 to 5 years old. That's an adult bear. And adults can finally make their own babies, and the cycle starts over again. So now we're going to take the information we learned, and we're going to talk about the life cycle and the changes the cub makes to become an adult. On the first step of our graphic organizer, it tells us that first a bear is born. That's the baby cubs. The next step says that it nurses from its mom. That's when it gets milk from its mom. Now, your job is to give me 2 details or 2 sentences telling me what happens in the third and the fourth step. Tell me what happens when they are teenagers or becoming adults. Then last, tell me what happens when it is finally an adult. Make sure you're using complete sentences, and please make sure that you're using our keywords, then and last. You can even reread or retell me information from the time it's born all the way until it becomes an adult bear, using the words first, next, then, and last.